Hello everyone and welcome to Slate and Pencil. In this video, we will discuss about Class 7 Geography Chapter 7, Human Environment, Settlement, Transport and Communication. Till now, we have discussed about our planet Earth, its environment, air, water and vegetation present around the Earth. We have created a lecture series for Class 7 Geography videos. Check the links in the description below. We all know early human depends on nature for food, shelter and clothing. But as we developed, we learned to grow crops and rear animals. This requires a permanent settlement. A good permanent settlement should provide easy access to food, safety, favorable climate, water supply, fertile soil and transportation. This brought settlements and civilization near the river banks. Some of the great civilizations along the river valleys are Indus Valley Civilization and Tigris Valley Civilization. Settlements are the places where people live together and build their homes. Settlement can be permanent and temporary. Settlements occupied for a short time are called temporary settlements, like the people on the mountains, forests and deserts. They are mostly hunters and gatherers. They practice shifting agriculture, where they clear a patch of land, cultivate the crops, harvest and then move to the new land. Nowadays, more and more settlements are getting permanent. Settlements are further differentiated as rural settlements and urban settlements. The villages are rural settlements. People in the village are engaged in activities like agriculture, fishing, forestry, craft works and trading. Village settlements can be compact or scattered. We see scattered settlement mostly in the hilly areas, thick forests and deserts. People build their homes according to the environment. In regions of snow and heavy rainfall, they have slanting roofs. Places where water accumulates in the rainy season, the houses are built on the raised platforms. Cities and towns are the urban settlement. In cities, people are engaged in activities like manufacturing, trading and services. Cities have compact type of settlements. Houses are built with a local material available like stone, mud, clay, bricks and cement. Now we will discuss about transportation. But if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Let's discuss about the transportation. As the settlements developed and trade flourished, we all humans required transportation to move and carry goods. Early people has to walk or use animal to carry load. Invention of the wheel made transportation easier. There are 4 major types of transportation system in the world. They are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Waterways is the oldest and the cheapest form of the transportation. We use rafts and boats to travel along the rivers. There are mainly 2 types of waterways: inland waterways and sea routes. Some important inland river systems are Ganga-Brahmaputra river system, Great Lakes in the Northern America and Nile in Africa. Nowadays, large ships carry heavy goods from one continent to another continent, and these require ports. Some important ports in the world are Singapore and Mumbai in Asia, New York and Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, Sydney in Australia, London and Rotterdam in Europe. Roadways is the most diverse form of the transportation system. We see metalled Pakka roads and unmetalled Kacha roads in India. Plain areas have diverse network of roads, but roads are also built in terrains like deserts, forest and mountain. Manali-Leh highway in the Himalayan range is one of the highest roadways in the world. Railways is the cheapest and easiest means of the transport. It carries heavy goods and great number of people over long distances. Indian Railways is the 4th largest rail network in the world with a route length of approx 68,000 kilometers. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway system connecting St. Petersburg in the western Russia to Vladivostok in Pacific coast. Let's talk about the airways now. Airway is the most expensive and the fastest means of transport developed in the 20th century. It is helpful in reaching remote places of the country where it is inaccessible through roads or railway line. During any disaster, when road and rail lines are damaged, helicopters play important role in search and rescue, distribution of food, water, clothes and medicine. Some important airports are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo. Communication. Communication is the process of conveying the message to others. The advancement in the field of communication has brought about an information revolution in the world. Different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate children and to entertain people. You watching this video lecture right now through YouTube is also a type of communication. Newspaper, TV and radio are the form of mass communication. They help us to communicate with large number of people at the same time. The satellites have made communication even faster. Wireless telephonic communication, video calling and email through internet has made our life easier. Now we can order foods, cab, book shows and train tickets all by sitting at home. With such a large interconnectivity of the people, services and institutions make us a large global society. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and keep watching Slate and Pencil.